Happy birthday, Trina. Happy birthday.
Hey, what's up? I'm Austin of AustinMy_238, and you are watching Trina Miller 100.
Good morning, guys. Today it is my birthday, so lippy. So my mom is gonna take holiday daycare. So I'm going to enjoy my day. So my mom's gonna be taking me to Build-A-Bear. So yeah, but also I've done Animal Crossing New Horizons for the birthday video. And after that, one of my friends from Discord, from the Quintus clan, and also on Quintus Street Stream with Chad, wished me a happy birthday. So a big thank you so much to all of the Twitch chat and Quintus, and also one of my peoples from the Quintus clan on Discord, and also Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. So yeah, but remember to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. It's JonasFanMolly14, and also on Facebook is Trina Miller. So yeah, and also on TikTok it is Trina Miller YT. So yeah, a big thank you so much for your support. So right now, I just got done uploading Animal Crossing New Horizons to both channels. So it should be up by the time you're watching this vlog. So yeah. So yeah, everyone from the Quintus clan wished me a happy birthday. Darian just had a picture on here with the owl cake and balloons there. Just happy birthday. And also, Master Bob wished me a happy birthday. So, yeah. Look at that, Master Bob did made a picture for me. It says happy birthday to Trina Miller from Master Bob. Wow. Check it out, guys. Walking out my birthday girl shirt with a black sweater. Pretty nice, pretty nice. The fleece leggings and sparkly shoes. And walking out the Apple Watch. So yeah, let's get going. Oh my God, so watch how these. So my mom's going inside to go to Build-A-Bear. But I'm not going in because of the whole COVID situation, right, Grandma?
Right.
So, what's going on?
Mama is going to go talk to the people at Build-A-Bear, and they're going to FaceTime you.
Oh, wow. So, yeah, I'm not going in because otherwise I get infected. So, yeah. Hey,
Can you see everybody?
yeah.
Attention to the workshop! My friend Trina is celebrating her birthday today! Woohoo! Birthday for her.
Thank you so much. Look at it, look at it. So Grandma the Bear.
Your face a second. Oh, she's handing your phone back now. Where you see my mom's head.
Hey, so Grandma my
Oh,
bear.
you want Grandma to see? Look. And look, it has the birthday sash. Isn't that adorable?
Yeah, it's adorable.
Hey, I'm gonna show your face.
Check it out. Oh, my bear people just gave me that bear right here. It has birthday says, oh man, birthday bag. Birth certificate. Look at that.
Woohoo!
Look at this. It even has a mask here, so I got a mask too.
And then the wonderful birthday card.
Wow.
Woohoo!
And also I got some pretzels too. Look at this, I'm having pretzel bites with cheese for Indians. Alright guys, so we're switching by Starbucks to get my birthday drink. The mocha frappuccino with chocolate chips. There, get this. My birthday drink. Can't wait to try it. So with somebody
as well share that.
Oh, here.
And we got chocolate with it. Oh man. What is it?
What?
You got me a emoji cake.
Yeah, what do you think?
Whoa! It's so cool, man.
You like it?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Look at this. We went to Sonic and I got a junior cheese wrap. So this is my birthday lunch right here. So we swing by Walmart, we're doing a curbside pickup. So yeah, what are you picking up, Mom?
I'm picking up groceries.
And a wrapping paper?
I'm gonna have to go in and get that.
Okay. So yeah. So my aunt just got here. So
We got a little mini cake.
yeah, I just got a mini cake.
I'm
so,
sure Ross got an
Yeah.
ice cream cake.
Give me, we have so many desserts in our house.
I know.
So here it is.
Yeah.
Look at that. Emoji cake.
Do you want to take a bite with me? I'll take
Yeah.
it.
I just got a picture.
Here, you hold it. I'll get a picture of you
Yeah.
hold it.
That's code for not right now.
Look at this, guys. Emoji cake. Wow. This is from Cherry's Bakery.
Oh, I didn't see that.
So Daylight Donuts people just give me the cupcake donuts.
buying a bunch of cakes.
Look at that.
15.
Happy. Woo! Happy face. All right, here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Trina. Happy birthday to you. Many more on Channel 4 and Scooby-Doo on Channel 2 and... Mom, you missed all of this.
I got it. I got
London's
it.
fine.
I got it.
Oh! make a wish. Did you make a wish?
Yeah.
Let's get a good. Did you get a? You got a good picture of it, right?
I'm dating y'all
Are you having a good day? Here, let's see your shirt. Hey, birthday girl. Woohoo!
Guess what the inside of the cake looks like? Look at that.
Go ahead.
Alright. First presents. Got a few of these. Let's
Got
see
your
what
very own pot, a grinder, and a pipe.
Oh my! So you decided to go with the Astro A3 in earbud.
Is that what you wanted?
Yes! Shout out to Quintus because Quintus is partnered with Astro.
It's stuff Clintus is helping with.
Yeah, Quintus is partnered with Astro.
Uh-huh.
So shout out to Quintus right here.
Yeah, shout out.
You're
Shout out.
welcome for
Yeah.
the big house.
Shout out to Quintus. Because I finally have the Astro A3 in ear monitor. Look at that.
Woohoo! Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you gonna try them out?
Yeah. And also it works with Apple devices too. And also it works with Nintendo Switch.
Does it?
Yeah.
Well, then you can really use it then. Oh, your shirt's sparkling.
Yeah.
It's like little diamonds.
Oh my Animal Crossing new license.
I bet you forgot about
Quackers.
this.
Look at that.
Woohoo! Now hold it up again. All right.
And then 2 more.
Actually, 3. The one has 2 in it.
Oh please. What? What the heck?
I got the clear protective case for your Nintendo Switch.
Oh my. This is a clear protective case. Yeah.
It goes for all of it. It goes for the whole system.
Yeah. That way I don't have to break my Switch.
Yeah, it's protected. Woohoo!
Wow. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright, one more.
Yeah, she's tired.
Why are you wearing my boots? Because you could wear my boots.
They're my boots.
You look like you're in a horseback riding.
Yeah, when are you a size 7 women's?
It's a.
Well,
It's
tell
a
me
bag.
help her out.
Oh,
Woohoo! Look how strong she is.
oh my.
Do it really quick.
Oh wait.
Open it up and see what it says. There's another shout out coming.
Okay. Babe, look at that.
Hold it up. You know what it says?
It says Princess on it.
Yes, and it is
From
gamer.
PrincessSwitch.com.
I got it. And it's for his gamer. I think it's his. Hold that one sleeve out. Other side. Right there. There you go.
It says Quintus on it.
Yeah. Clintus, a big shout out.
What's this?
And like every day is Taco Tuesday. Like every day is Taco Tuesday.
You like those
You
colors?
should live every day
Look
like
at
it's
that.
Taco Tuesday.
So-
Live every day like it's your favorite too, Taco Tuesday.
Yes, again, shout out to Quintus. Designed by Humans.com. Go check it out. His promo code will be Quintus. And also the Astro A3 monitors. This will be on Astro.com. His promo code will be Quintus. So go check it out.
Woohoo! Say happy birthday!
Thank you so much.
You're official. 25 birthday girl. Woohoo! Bye bye. Bye. Say hi. Bye. Say bye. Woohoo!
Oh my, one more thing. Birthday card time. Okay. This birthday card comes to tell you what a kind, caring, wonderful person you are. It's a dog. Another card that says you mean a lot to me. And inside this card, open for surprise inside. Happy birthday, Robin and Kitty. Okay, it's another card. Okay. It's like,
There's a big heartfelt hug.
Oh wow.
Here, I'll hold that.
Open me, surprise inside. Oh cool, money.
Woohoo!
$100 bucks!
Oh my goodness! Give that goosebump smile. Say thank you and we'll send this video to
Thank you, Robin and
Kenny. Woohoo! Was that a cute card or what?
Yeah.
Say thank you.
Thank you so much.
You really appreciate that, huh?
Yeah.
Say you guys are amazing.
Yeah.
Say love you.
Love you. So anyway, I will do birthday haul once I get me settled up. So I will do a birthday haul like in a little bit. So yeah. Oh, and by the way, the Jonas Brothers shirt just came on my birthday. So I'll probably just show you that as well. So yeah. Check it out. Having a birthday sushi while watching The Bachelor. Alright guys, I gotta go ahead and wrap up this vlog. So I just want to say a big thank you to the amazing YouTube community and also Twitch community and Discord. So I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart and for my birthday wishes. So I'm officially 25, so I can't believe it. I'm actually 25, so I just want to say thank you to the amazing community and also to Quintus for wishing me a happy birthday and to amazing Build-A-Bear team at Town East. And I just want to say a big thank you for love and support. I really do love you guys. So anyway, thank you so much for the amazing support from Discord, Twitch chat, the Quintus clan, and also Build-A-Bear team, and also the man himself, Quintus, and Quintus's family, Sierra, Tiffany, Bryce. They made a huge support for me. I mean, the man himself, Quintus. Oh man, they did wish me happy birthday. So yeah, I gotta go ahead and wrap up this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Wish me a happy birthday in the comments down below because you guys have made this my day possible. So thank you. So wish me a happy birthday in the comments down below. And I just want to say thank you for the love and support. So make sure to hit subscribe for more videos and more content. And the vlogs will be in the cards right here. And remember, it's all adventures want to be. And it's watching peace. Bye bye. I'm Trina Minute 100. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. If you want more vlogs, gameplays, and a lot of stuff, click or tap subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a like. Follow me at any social sites at the Insulate. Also, check out Trina Minute 100 Games channel and Build-A-Bear Kim 17's channel. Until next time, peace.